So you don't want to be the NPC that just starts fasting because you heard fasting was good for you and it's something you haven't tried. You don't want to be that person. You want to be the person who goes into it with reason, with goal, so that you can actually make a sustainable lifestyle change. Otherwise, it's almost like a waste of time. It's just for ego, where you could say you did it. And if you want to go down that path, the NPC path, just do 24 hours. Just fast for 24 hours, that's it. Otherwise, you can actually reflect on what your goal is, where it's like, are you fasting for fat loss? Are you fasting for digestive health? Is it for autophagy maximization? Is it for longevity? Whatever it is, that's gonna help you with your mindset when you go into the fast in the first place. So I know in many cases, people would suggest like a 16-8. So you're fasting for 16 hours, you feast for 8 hours, you got the 8-hour eating window, that kind of thing. The science behind that is hilarious. And I guess this is just gonna be a lesson for a lot of people, where they were conducting research on mice when it comes to autophagy and fasting. And one of the researchers had a time constraint. So they were supposed to stay in the lab for upwards of 20 hours and see the effects of fasting. But the researcher's wife didn't want him staying in the lab for so long. So they agreed to just cut it down to 16 hours. And then all the research was done with 16 hours. So it wasn't scientific in nature, it was because of a real world constraint. And a lot of people don't know that, and they just think 16 is this magical number. There's nothing magical about it whatsoever. But 24, you can't go wrong with 24.